Hello guys, this is Winnie from the Fosun NF Windows and DOS Systems Company Limited. Today we will share you some advice how to find a reliable aluminum Windows and DOS manufacturer. We summarize total 4 aspects. First is company size, the number of the staff, and also check if they have all the design teams and production team. Second is expert qualification, whether they have their own website and whether they can export to other countries. Thirdly, company certifications, for example, American NFRC, Canada CS8, Australian AS2047, AS1288, Europe CE, and so on. Last, whether offered after service. It's a very important point to ensure the customer's rights and have a good buying experience. That's all. Thanks for watching. Follow us and to learn more about the aluminum windows and doors. Thank you.